Oh, you, baby, open. I see you did not read.
I don't see the message.
Yeah, take the bread. Take the floor.
Oh, you open.
Well, they're slippers.
Wow, it's baby with your slippers.
I don't open this.
Oh, open. You read it first.
Baby. We all the best on your special day. Roar. What the?
Oh, it's daddy's gift. Open daddy's gift.
Even said roar.
Oh, tulungan mo magbunin. Tulungan mo para mabilis. Tulungan mo magbukas.
See? It's animal guacamole.
Oh, you open it. Ay, ito na, yung gift niya na. Nabubuksan na. Aba, ay sa ata naglaro.
That's baby Nelly. That's it one. That's it.
Oh! Ayaw ba dito yun? Pagkala ko. Oh, open. Oh, open.
Read dati.
Oh, meron pa si Kuya Toteng. Show it again.
Baby, happy birthday. From Kuya Toting and Kuya Alaric.
Oh, it's from Kuya Totex and Kuya Alaric.
It's from Alaric and Kuya Toting. Let's see here. New clothes.
Oh, open. Open ate. Napay ka pag open.
They're new clothes.
Open mo mama. Lagyan natin dito ang new clothes. Wow, favorite ni baby ni yellow.
Oh, it's yellow.
It's yellow.
Happy birthday, baby.
It's yellow.
Popsy and Mumsy.
Oh, open.
That's from Popsy and Mumsy, baby.
Open.
Let's see.
Oh, it's also yellow.
New clothes.
Oh, it's new clothes for baby. Open mo. Oh, yeah, baby. Wow, you have so many yellow clothes. Wow. So many yellow clothes for baby.
Come on.
Dito may lagay dito. Wow, so many yellow clothes for baby. Isa na yung mama dyan. Oh, it's turn off. Walang Diyong. Gusto na rin namamalo.
Walang pangalan na rin.
Oh, ang lakas namang mamalo na rin si baby rin.
Walang pangalan na rin.
From Melman yan. Ayan, open mo muna yung mailing.
From Chanel.
Ano Chanel? Ah, kay Chanel. Oh, open from Chanel.
Ano kung nanay ko?
Oh, it's another toy.
This
Oh,
one.
it's a toy again. Oh, you open nanay's gift.
Nanay,
Wet
Oh, you open nanay's gift.
Baby, happy birthday from Nanay Frosty.
Oh, open nanay Prosy.
It's a dress.
Oh, baby, we have another dress.
Open mo na, open.
Open po nene. Buksan mo ba nene? Nasa isa mamang pinaglagan ito. Doon sa ibabalik kasi.
Wow! Oh, yellow dress again.
No, now you
Wow!
can become a fan of
It's
Batman.
Ang regalo ni nanay si Melman. Yes, Melman. Oh, tuwan-tuwa sa bigay ni nanay si Melman ba? Oh, you like Melman?
Open, open.
Favorite ni nanay, baby rin si Melman.
From Sweat.
Tuwa ka na, makita mo.
Makita si Melman.
From Sweet Shell.
Oh, open. Oh, it's another toy.
Another kitchen
Oh, another toy again. Apo to.
My
This one, read mo na, read.
Ano yung mga wala ng ano? Ayan, nandito mo dyan.
Oh, read mo na.
Oh, wait, actually, this one.
To Baby from Jonah
It's Baby Jonah.
It's Baby Jonah.
Oh, open.
Baby Jonah, what have you gave the baby? Your diapers?
Oh,
No.
binubuksan mo na mamaya yung... Ba't ko nabubukas?
No, white
Ang pangalan nito.
xylophone.
Bigay nga ni Melman yan. Oh, it's a new toy again. Oh, yung open Melman's gift. Open Melman's gift.
Open, Melman's gift. Open, Melman's gift.
Oh, ayun na, binuksan na ni Mama yung isa. Open mo na yung isa.
This is from Melman.
Oh, that one. Open the first one.
This one is for Melman. This
Oh.
one is
From Alex. Alex and Melman. Oh, open yung gift ni Alex and ni Melman.
This is Melman's gift. This is Melman's gift.
Oh, wow!
And that's
Oh.
Alex's gift.
Oh, it's so many
Oh,
guys.
marami ka ng ano.
Pajamas.
No, it's a dress.
Oh, it's Melman. And from Melman and Alex.
Wow, so many gift. Oh, you can play na, you can play. Oh, buuin mo na to. Buo mo kayo.
I know how to do it.
Oo. Kasi yung ganda.
Yung ano.
Buksan mo nga din nato.
Inala.
Wow, so many. Yellow.
Binened yung kasagabi.
Letter G.
Ah, buksan mo ba na neto? Ayan, dyan ka sa dulo. Kapatulungan mong magbukas yun.
Here. This is a heart candy. Ooh, macaron. And
Ano nga ba gato para?
give me the sticker.
Oh.
Here's the sticker.
Oh. May diaper pa.
Diba, may diaper pa.
It's a diaper.
Diaper, baby.
Here.
May diaper
Where
pa yung
is
baby.
that? Here.
Yan, gusto na.
Wow.
May baby rin.
Open it.
Oh, open mo daw itong... Oh, Mapa, open mo din daw itong bigay ni Baby Jonah.
Watermelon. And then
Ito lang ah. Ayan, ito.
rabbit lollipop. Lollipop.
Ate, akin na yung shades. Sa part na ito nito eh. Oh, si Bunay na naglalaro. At saka si ate.
Here.
Oh, yun na, yun. Ano, open na yung pinapa-open mo.
My iPhone.
Kapok, kapok.
Ito sample eyes yun.